Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on the cursive W, okay? The cursive W is very similar to the U that we learned yesterday. Okay, we're going to go up, back down, up, back down, up, and we're going to end it with a check stroke. Now, a check stroke is going to be the beginning of your next letter, okay? But this is what makes it different than a U, okay? You'll see that this looks like the U right there. But if you come up and put a check stroke on it, then that is the W, okay? So across here, we're going to trace some W's. W, W. Now remember, I am not going up in the attic, and I am not going down in the basement with the W. I am staying between the bottom line and the dotted line. Okay, so there I've created some W's. Make sure that they are slanted. They are slanted. It looks like a big cloud, and this cloud is blowing some wind, and he's blowing that W. It's not straight up and down. He's leaning over like that. Okay? All right, so we're going to practice some W's. This says wild waves, and this is what wild waves looks like written in cursive. You can see how the W connects with the next letter with that check stroke. Okay, so now we're going to go down and we're going to trace W's all the way across, and then we're going to write W's all the way across underneath it. Okay, so you can pause the video while you do that. Okay, now we're back. We're going to go down and now we're going to join the W and some other letters. The check stroke joins two letters. Okay, so now I'm going to do, this is a W, and here's my check stroke. Now I'm going to go straight into the U. Okay, so this is a W and a U. Now here is a W and an I. And here is a W and a T. Do you notice how my check stroke has a little bit of a curve there? It does not come down to the bottom line. Okay, here is a T and a W with your check stroke. If you don't have any more letters over here, you just leave your check stroke out like that. Okay, here is a U and then a W. Okay, now I'm going to come down here and do wit. Here is a W, I, T. Dot my I, cross my T. Did you notice how my pen never picked up? I'm going to try it again. W, I, T. Pick up my pen, dot my I, cross my T. My pen never picks up until I get finished with the whole word. And then I go back and dot my I and cross my T. W, I, T. Dot my I, cross my T. W, I, T. Dot my I, cross my T. Make sure that these letters are not going above this dotted line right here. They should not be up here. Your W should not look like that. That is wrong. And this morning in class, when we did our U's, I had some kids go up here where they weren't supposed to be. So I handed their paper back and we had to erase them and do them over again. So make sure that your letters are not up in the attic like that. They should all be in the downstairs. Okay, happy practicing.